What's up, my people? How una dey? So I don't carry another update carry come, and this review I won't do. So I believe say most of una go like this kind particular update. Before I start, make you know say this one no be tutorial they come here to come do. This one a review they come here to come do. So make you just know that one. Watch this video from the beginning to the end so that make I drop my review, I go tell you now waiting the update they all about. I go drop my opinion, I go drop my ratings, I go drop my review. Then I go tell me if this particular update makes sense. I be make sense. If you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Yeah, they come drop different updates at the church where anytime I see any new update and I go try them. If you work, I go just come here, come review and give my people. If you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe so that anytime I drop video, then go notify you and make you not forget to comment where you watch this video from for comment section. And also if you never join my community, I beg make you just support the effort. Click on that join button, make you join the community. I beg. Thank you very much. So the update I want to talk about today, like I said, this one no be tutorial, this one a review. And me no be financial advisor, me na just person like you where if I use different updates and it can't make sense, I go just come here, can't talk about the updates. So get one particular app where I found that recently, no be new app sha because the thing don't do my phone for some time now, but I be just the observer, just the say as in them. This app here then they call them Booza, you understand? Something Booza, na the name of the app now be that. Then they invest into athletes, they invest in athletes, in sports and the rest. So what thing they do be say then they invest into athletes and musicians and the rest. So for example, if you be somebody where they see say you get potential, I go try explain this to me when I understand. If you be person where they see say you get potential, like if you blow, you understand, you get talent, if you blow, you sabi play basketball, all those kind of things, say they go invest in you, then go sponsor you, push you, coach you till you blow. They say you go earn because you go to invest in your favorite sports people, your favorite celebrities and the rest. But not be waiting carry me come here be that. Right now then they on another phase. They never reach that phase yet. The phase where then they now phase where then talk say if they use their app, if they post video because they need awareness, they need more people they use their app, they want more people to know their app, you understand? So they say if they use their app, they say if they post videos, so you go feed they post videos, you understand? So you go post videos and then go they pay you for the views where the video get. If they share your invite link they get, then go they reward you, all those kind of things like that. Go they post videos. So based on the way me I see the platform can be like Instagram, totally they like Instagram completely, you understand? Because once you sign up your account or once you log in, you go see feed option, you go see reels option where you go to watch reels, all those kind of things like that. And if you come to their profile site, I mean the thing just they like Instagram where you go see the reels then where you don't post, and you go see they post them, the photos them where you don't post for the platform. People if you follow you here, and when they watch your videos, they go they reward you as people they watch your videos with their coin, then get their own coin, you understand? And then as then they reward you with that coin, if you decide to convert that coin or that point to USDT, or if you withdraw them to PayPal, all those kind of stuff like that. According to waiting then talk, they say you go sign up your account, you go verify your account, then go start to they post your videos, your photos, just they post like that they go. And then say if you share your referral link to say you feed they collect small thing as you they share your referral link, you understand? So now so the platform they now I don't discover some things about the platform. First of all, to contact their customer service, today that easy to contact them, you understand? And another thing I notice be that secondly then get chat room too where you fit chat with your friends. Once you open the app, they as you stay for the app for the first 60 seconds, then go reward you 1 point. If you stay for 5 minutes, then go give you 100 points. If you stay on the app for 5 minutes, just they watch videos and just they scroll through their feed and the rest. If you post videos too, they feed the reward you. If you invite your friends, they feed the reward you. So what thing I think personally, what thing I think about this particular platform and what thing be some of their pros and their cons. Now the first pro be say the platform they easy to use because in the like Instagram, once you just log in to collect those rewards they had. And another pro be say based on the structure or based on the idea behind the platform, I like the idea behind the platform if only the thing can work. One of the con be say the platform no be English platform. Some of the things the way you go see for the platform, you no go understand them because no be English platform. This they are collecting point of a thing. It get limited time because then they do am face by face. It just can't like say na airdrop. They farm their coin, so you get some kind point where you go reach, you go decide to sell their coin. So make we just take am say na airdrop. So in the limited time, by the time when they see this video, if you don't finish their farming season. Another thing be say based on this particular phase where they like this, if you want withdraw, it be like say na PayPal where you go use, because without PayPal it be like say if you access your earnings for the platform. So now another con be that. Another thing be say you need to verify your profile before you even think about to withdraw for the platform. So now some of the things be that way I no con like about the platform. But apart from that, now I want make you tell me what you think about the platform for comment section. So if they say make I rate this platform from 1 to 10, so I never withdraw from the platform before, so I will give them 5/10 because I never withdraw. If I don't withdraw, I forgive them like 7/10. You understand? But now way I never withdraw before, I will give them 5/10. But just tell me, you don't use the platform before, the thing they work out for you. I just say make I con update when I say see waiting they see in the like farming crypto coins. If you like airdrops, so just check out this particular opportunity. If you just they post videos, they share your invite link, they collect small thing for yourself. So just tell me what you think for comment section. I will see you now for my next video, and bye for now.